Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking a start node and setting its distance to 0 so the algorithm has a clear origin. Enqueue that node into a FIFO queue and add it to a visited set to prevent revisits. Initialize either a parent array or a distance array now so you can reconstruct paths later. Once done, make sure your graph representation, adjacency list or matrix, supports quick neighbor iteration, because this setup keeps the rest of the process efficient and predictable. You now enter the main loop, dequeue the front node and inspect each neighbor. If a neighbor is unvisited, set its distance to the current node's distance +1 and record the current node as its parent to capture the path. Enqueue that neighbor and mark it visited right away to avoid multiple enqueues. While iterating, skip edges to visited nodes. This prevents wasted work. Keep this loop until the queue is empty or you reach the target node for an early exit. You finish by reconstructing the path from target back to start using parent pointers, reversing the sequence at the end. If no parent exists for the target, report unreachable. This handles disconnected graphs gracefully. Make sure to free or reset data structures if you'll run multiple searches. If results look wrong, check that you marked nodes visited when enqueued, not when dequeued, and confirm the queue empties as expected. That single mistake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.